guys, today's video is sponsored by AFU Cosmetics. And AFU stands for Always For You, and they sent over these two palettes. So this is the palette that I used in today's video, and then this is the other one. So I will go ahead and leave the link down in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. They are on Amazon. I believe their palettes are only $9.99 or somewhere in that range, and if you have Prime like me, you'll get your palette either next day or latest 2 days. So today I'm going to be doing this 90s vibe inspired look. I feel like the eyes came out a lot more rich than from when I did it earlier this week, and I think that's why I like 90s makeup looks so much, because put different variations of browns on your eyelids, and however it turns out, it turns out. But yeah, I did like this 90s, you know, inspired look. You guys went nuts over it, okay? I was blown away. I wasn't expecting that kind of response from you guys. And today was not supposed to be a sit down and give you a full-fledged video kind of day. I was literally just supposed to film my eyes and put together a quick 1-minute video for AFU. But when I posted the look, you guys were like, we need a full tutorial. I'm like, oh my God, you guys are so demanding. But I love you guys so much. So I'm like, they're so spoiled. So yeah, we're here, okay? This week is just so crazy and so hectic because of all the work that I've been doing, but I cannot wait to be able to share why this week is busy and why this was not supposed to turn into a full-fledged video today. So we're just gonna kind of fly through it because I have other work to get to and do before this week is over. This isn't gonna be like a super in-depth tutorial. It's just gonna be kind of sped up and you're gonna see what I'm doing, but I figured I would at least give you the full tutorial that you all asked for. Alright, so that is it for this look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next makeup tutorial.